Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a new collection from an artist I've never purchased from before, Andrea Bethke. She is formerly from the Fairy Tale Club, and she has been rebranding to her name, but she has launched a spring collection for 2024. It's called Ephemeral. And as soon as you see it, you will know that these are exactly my kind of colors. I have not been inspired by a scrapbook collection for a very long time. And as soon as I saw she had a collaboration with Shara, they put on a course together, and Shara created the most beautiful album. And I purchased the kit. I didn't purchase the album kits completely. I purchased the collection kit that went with the album that they were doing. But here is all of her gorgeous designs. I love the cute animals and the diverse selection of girls, the bows. So many fun details. Here's something that I absolutely love. That is going to be a gorgeous thing to create dangles with there. This moon, butterflies, and hearts, bows. And then they also have these really cute buttons. Very adorable. And will be a great little addition to some projects. Look at the size of this butterfly. It's fantastic. And like, have you ever seen ephemera this large before? It's so cute. This is a beautiful set of flowers and butterflies in very large ephemera. This, like, how adorable is this little dog? I do believe it's based on her actual pet. And then that is the back of that. And this one, and that's the back there. And then we have palmistry, and then the life is hard, but it also is beautiful on the back of that. So that is the cards. This is the sticker sheet. So it's a 6 by 12. It's only one-sided. This is just pictures, although I will probably be fussy cutting out these images because they are printed, I believe they are printed separately from the page on the back. That's really very pretty. So this is what the back side of this sheet looks like. So you could even just reuse that. Stickers are very thin. Very cute images though. I really like all of these colors, characters, designs. This makes my heart happy. When I saw it, I had to have it. It was $55 for everything I'm showing you here, US. And I will now go through the papers. Oh, there are so many papers. So you have an entire sheet of all of the images, which is beautiful. And the B side is like that. Postcards and notes. That is so pretty. And then the back side is the cameras. Ooh, cut aparts and tickets and film strips. Oh my, I love, this might be my favorite page. And I'm actually really happy that this is the back. I don't love these little hearts with faces. Something about them doesn't speak to me. And because of that, I'm actually really glad that that's on the back of this, because if I wanted to use these and stick them to something, it's always hard to have to sacrifice whatever's on the back. I don't mind sacrificing on the back of that, those little hearts. This one is another sheet of cut aparts. Very pretty. Interesting. Most looks like pipe work. Ooh, yes. This, I could have lots of these. Look at that. Although I could probably recreate something like this. Inspires me to create a background with those watercolor type paints and then just write on top with a black marker, because I love the look of this with a simple watercolored background. That is really nice. I'll show you close up so you can see. Yeah, that's great. And then we have like a grid paper on the back, building trades sketching. And again, I'm happy that the back is something that I could sacrifice if I wanted to use and cut up a bunch of things from this page. Really like that. My dearest ephemeral. Every day is the same but different. I suppose the only true thing we can count on as a constant is that life is always changing. So too are we always growing and ever adapting. And it goes on like that. So that's really neat. Ooh, this is interesting. I guess this is meant to be a coloring page. So it's just black and white. Oh, I remember seeing her talk about this. The symmetry down the line between the two different images. Moment and memory, happy and sad. So this is the sad side, this is the happy side. So if you look at the very subtle differences between these two, so this one's got a tear and this one's got a smile. I am enough just as I am. And then this, she does like a lot of magic and mystical and Disney and fairy tale. Here we have a beautiful animal print on the front. Cute little bunnies, foxes, deers, all my favorites, unicorns. And then on the back, we have this floral print with all of the months. So that is really cute. I like that a lot. That one was called Into the Storybook Forest. This one here, the suns and the moons, and then the back is the lined paper, just like the sun, but more like the moon. Hello to today. I like this one a lot. I love all those colors and the butterflies and the pretty circles on the back. It's a nice quality cardstock. It's got a good weight to it. This is another beautiful one with the vertical or horizontal lines, depending on how you use it. And then these wonderful polka dots on the back. That might be another one of my favorites. Got some letters here with the whole alphabet. So that is giving happy, and that is giving me happy. This is a giant letter, and then beautiful design on the back there. This is my aesthetic. All of the cute little girls with the bows. The thing I don't like about this, when you look at it from afar, doesn't this make you think like these are miniature bodies? Like there's the feet and this is a giant head. So that's one thing that I don't like about these little girls, is that those bows from afar look like little feet. So that is a nice background there. We've got this cute unicorn paper, and then on the back, this is called Unicorns Are Special. We've got miscellaneous purchases like a ledger, soft girl vibes with the bows, and strawberries. Nice. Anything with this white background and then the images are really pretty with the bows and the flowers and then the different drawings. This one's called In My Garden. I Heart Gingham is the last one I have for you in this collection. Very pretty. And then the back is this gorgeous white with black. So quite a lot of pages. How many is that in total there? So 16 papers in total. Unbelievably beautiful collection. I'm so happy to have it. It is such a happy spring collection in all my favorite colors. If you are interested in this collection, I will leave the information down below. If you're interested in the class that she did with Shara, I do believe that you can still purchase that. It is an online virtual class, even if you want to do it just itself. This is only some of the kit. For the class kit, there was an album, stamps, stencils, all kinds of other products. I didn't want all of those things because I had in mind my own ideas about what I wanted to do with this, but now that I see it, like I'm eager to start working with it. I have an album coming from Paige Evans that she did a collaboration, and it's one of those sequin shaker albums. So I'm really excited to work with that. And I was thinking of making an album with this collection, which is why I didn't buy the whole collection kit with the class and everything. But the class was at the beginning of April 2024. And even if you weren't able to participate in it, it's one of those ones that is started online and you can just go back anytime and watch the videos. So anyways, I'll leave the information down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.